Hi, this is Abby Rogers with Dry Steam. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of the Steam Injection Humidifier. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. Basic hand tools, pipe wrenches, pipe sealant, safety glasses, and of course, the Steam Injection Humidifier's IOM. Each humidifier has the same basic components: a stainless steel separator, a steam valve, and either a fan or jacketed dispersion tubes. Humidifiers with jacketed tubes are shipped assembled or disassembled as requested by customers. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation: piping, control valves, humidistat and safety devices such as high limit and/or airflow proving devices, temperature switches, Y strainers, and steam traps. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. Installation location is clear and ready. Steam source and condensate return or drain are operational and available. Humidifier has adequate support. Installation will vary, depending on the size and quantity of humidifiers, tubes, plumbing, and so forth. Once installed, startup time may vary depending on the application and system size. Now you have all the information you need to properly prepare for a smooth installation of the Steam Injection Humidifier. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.